Getting the autopilot.dll error on Windows? Here are 4 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. The autopilot.dll error is an error that is seen in the Windows Event Viewer. The autopilot.dll error can potentially cause occasional crashes or unexpected system reboots on your Windows computer. To those who are unaware, the Windows Event Viewer keeps a log of all the tasks and operations that are processed by the OS, and there are hundreds and thousands of those every minute. While most logs only serve as informative messages, they can sometimes come in handy while trying to figure out different errors. This error can be caused by outdated Windows, overclocked memory, or dysfunctional Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant service can also lead to this error. Here we have shown how you can fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. The very first thing you should try doing is disabling the Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant service. The Sign-In Assistant utility facilitates users in signing on to several Microsoft apps. Press the Win+R keys to open the Run command prompt. In the prompt that shows, enter services.msc. This will open the Windows Service Manager. Scroll down and find the Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant service. Right-click on it and further click on Properties. In the subsequent dialog box, under the General tab, click on the Startup drop-down and select Disabled. Save these changes by clicking on Apply and OK. Restart your PC to make these changes take effect and check if the issue has been resolved yet. Do note that if you're using the Outlook calendar, phone link app, etc., then those apps will not be able to connect to your account. Method 2. If you have overclocked your computer, we suggest reversing those changes. If you have enabled XMP, disable it in the BIOS and see whether that solves the issue. Method 3. An outdated operating system can cause all kinds of errors, including the autopilot.dll error. Try updating your Windows and see if that solves the issue. Press the Win+I key combination to open Windows settings. Click on the Windows Update tab. If there are any pending Windows updates, they will show up here, after which you can install them and check again if the issue has been resolved. Method 4. If you continue to see this error message, then you should repair Windows System Image using the DISM tool. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type the following commands and press Enter to run them. DISM/online/cleanup-image/scan health. DISM/online/cleanup-image/check health. DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health. After the scans finish running, restart your PC. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.